The world is a canvas splashed with the colors of natural beauty, waiting for us to explore. From the azure depths of the ocean to the verdant expanse of lush forests, from the stark grandeur of deserts to the icy allure of the poles, our planet is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes. We've curated a list of the top 10 most beautiful places in the world, each a testament to Earth's breathtaking diversity. Dive in with us as we embark on a breathtaking journey across the globe. At number 10, we find ourselves in the alien landscapes of the Atacama Desert, Chile. This isn't your typical desert. It's a collision of earth and sky where the barren terrain dances with stark shadows and the night sky reveals a cosmic spectacle unrivaled. The Atacama's beauty lies in its starkness, its silence, and its solitude. Imagine standing under the clearest night skies, witnessing the galaxy's secrets unfold above you. A place where the earth meets the stars. The Atacama Desert is truly a sight to behold. Swimming to number 9, we explore the underwater paradise of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, a place where the ocean bursts into a riot of colors, courtesy of the teeming marine life and kaleidoscopic coral formations. This natural wonder, the largest of its kind, is not just a spectacle but a crucial part of our ecosystem. A dance of life, a ballet of biodiversity, all beneath the azure waves. A symphony of colors beneath the surface, the Great Barrier Reef is a testament to the richness of life on Earth. We journey to number 8, to the sun-kissed cliffs of the Amalfi coast in Italy. Imagine a place where charming towns cling to steep hillsides overlooking turquoise waters. The coast is a kaleidoscope of colors, with pastel buildings, vibrant lemon groves, and terraced vineyards. Each twist and turn of the serpentine road reveals another stunning cliffside view, an enchanting blend of natural beauty and human artistry. This is the Amalfi Coast, a picturesque gem tucked away in the heart of Italy. At number 7, we find ourselves amidst the majestic peaks of Banff National Park in Canada. Here, snow-capped mountains stand as age-old sentinels, their grandeur mirrored in the park's turquoise lakes. Each vista is a masterpiece, a perfect blend of color and light. The park is also teeming with wildlife, offering a glimpse into the harmonious coexistence of nature and its inhabitants. This awe-inspiring landscape is a testament to the Earth's natural splendor. Banff National Park, a sanctuary of serenity and beauty. We travel to number 6, to the tranquil gardens and ancient temples of Kyoto, Japan. Enveloped in a rich history that whispers through the wind, Kyoto is a treasure trove of cultural heritage. Imagine strolling under a canopy of cherry blossoms, their delicate pink petals dancing in the breeze. The city offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity, where time-honored practices coexist with a vibrant contemporary scene. This is Kyoto, a captivating blend of the old and the new. At number 5, we gaze upon the ethereal beauty of the Northern Lights in Iceland, a spectacle of nature where shades of green, pink, and purple dance across the night sky, painting a picture that leaves one breathless. This celestial ballet is set against the stark, icy landscape of Iceland, a country renowned for its raw, untouched beauty. A testament to the magic and mystery of our planet, the Northern Lights truly are a bucket list experience. The Northern Lights, a dance of colors in the Arctic sky. Roaming to number 4, we witness the raw, untamed beauty of the Serengeti in Tanzania. Imagine vast plains that stretch as far as the eye can see, teeming with an abundance of wildlife, from majestic lions to graceful gazelles. This is the heart of Africa, a place where life thrives in its most primal form. The awe-inspiring spectacle of the Great Migration, a thunderous parade of millions of wildebeests, is a sight that leaves an indelible imprint on the soul. The Serengeti, a testament to the wild and free spirit of nature. Sailing to number 3, we marvel at the towering majesty of the fjords in Norway. Here the earth reaches for the heavens, creating dramatic cliffs that plunge into deep blue waters. A serene beauty washes over these Norwegian fjords, a place where nature's grandeur is on full display. The silence here is punctuated only by the occasional splash of a distant waterfall, a testament to the undisturbed tranquility of this breathtaking landscape. The fjords, a symphony of earth and water. Scaling to number 2, we stand in awe of the mighty Himalayas in Nepal. This colossal mountain range, a tapestry of nature's grandeur, stretches beyond sight, offering breathtaking views that captivate the soul. Every peak is a monument, every valley a testament to the Earth's enduring beauty. Beyond its physical allure, the Himalayas are steeped in spiritual significance, a haven for those seeking tranquility and enlightenment. The Himalayas, where the earth reaches for the sky. At number 1, we plunge into the vibrant, teeming heart of the Amazon rainforest in Brazil. A realm of unparalleled biodiversity, this lush expanse is a symphony of life, hosting millions of species that paint a fascinating canvas of nature. The rainforest serves as a crucial cog in our planet's ecosystem, breathing life into our world while silently combating climate change. The Amazon rainforest, a living testament to the abundant, pulsating life on Earth. Our journey comes to a close, but the beauty of the world continues to unfold in every corner. We've journeyed from the dry expanse of the Atacama Desert to the lush wilderness of the Amazon rainforest, each location a testament to the Earth's diverse beauty. These places are more than just sights to behold, they're a shared legacy, a reminder of our responsibility to safeguard these natural wonders for future generations. Remember, the world is a book, and those who do not travel read only a page, so go out, explore, and cherish the beauty around you.